So I'll show you how the hair looks like at the back. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I know it's been a while since I filmed a YouTube video, but I am back again with another hair tutorial. As you can see, I'm going to show you guys how I managed to achieve this color to my hair. So I have never gone this pink before. This is the first time that I've gone pink, and right now I feel I can get away with any hair color that I want, being that it's summer, so we have all those summer colors of hair, so I can pretty much get away with it. So what do you guys think? I pretty like the way the results came out. So first thing first, I'm going to talk about the hair. The hair I purchased was from AliExpress. It was 3 bundles of 12 inches and a lace frontal, which was also 12 inches. So what I did was to cut the hair short because I did not want that long 12 inches pink hair. I was not feeling it, so I had to cut it. So what I did was to mix these 2 products. The hair was already platinum blonde, so I did not have to go through all that process of bleaching the hair and stuff like that. But what I just did was just to dye the hair because it was already platinum blonde. So I used these 2 products. I used this Arctic Fox in the color Virgin Pink, and I used Tresemmé conditioner. So I just mixed this and this together, and voila, I got the color. So the thing is that I do not have specific measurements on how much I used of this dye, but the thing is that if you use so much of this, you're going to get a very vibrant pink, very bright pink, more than this, and I did not want that. So I just used a few drops of this Virgin Pink, and I used as much conditioner as I could use for the whole bundles and the lace frontal. Then for my roots, I used this color. It's a coffee brown color. The thing is that I did not want my roots to be pink, nor did I want my roots to be very dark brown, like to be black. I wanted the roots to be kind of like off brown. If you can see, they're like kind of like off brown, so I went for this coffee brown color, and that's how I achieved the roots. The whole process was just pretty much easy, like very easy, self-explanatory. It's not that hard. So the thing is, just use a few drops of this, and then so if you use a few drops, you're gonna get like very not so much pink like mine, or if you use more, you can get a very vibrant pink. So it's all up to you. And yeah, what you guys think of my new pink hair? As for me, I like it, and I feel that I can get away with this and nobody will judge me because it's summer and I'm trying all these different kinds of hairstyles and hair color. So I'll end my video here. Sorry guys, I'm not showing the whole process on how I did it because I accidentally formatted the card while I was trying to connect wireless from my camera to my MacBook. So I accidentally formatted the card, and I don't know how to recover that, but I've been trying to like Google how to recover. There's some software I have to download, this and that, but I just haven't done that. So I thought like I would share with you guys if you have any questions, but the whole process pretty much is just easy. Just use the 2 products and you'll get this. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you liked it, and if you have any questions you can ask me, I'll respond to them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.